Hey there, I'm Eric from the Farber Consulting Group, providing custom-based software development solutions since 1992. And today we will be talking about the multi-tenant messaging system in our software, which is being used for over 250 independent locations. The purpose behind a multi-tenant application is to have one database for all the tenants, each tenant being a client separated by its own unique ID. A tenant is a group of users who share common access with specific privileges to the software. You might be familiar with this concept known as SaaS, Software as a Service. The messaging system is designed to alert all tenants of any maintenance and log them out when it starts. In addition, each tenant, or a group of users as a client, can run their own maintenance independent of each other or simply for a company with no connection to the multi-tenant system. The project was developed and designed as a framework and can be used in multiple projects with the same code. Okay, we are now ready to show you some of the features for the alert messaging system. Let's log in as the developer for the Software as a Service, SaaS, and set up a maintenance schedule. Let's click on the developers option, then click the alerts button so we can create a maintenance schedule for all the tenants. Let's also click on the first message so that we can edit that one. And if needed, we could create a new message. The minute we check the alert message option, it enables us to select the starting and ending times. Otherwise, the message will appear as news when you log in. The minutes before starting alert message option can also control how many minutes the message will show up before the maintenance actually starts. We'll leave it as 30 minutes. Now let's select the starting date and enter the interval between each message to appear. For this demo, let's use 10 seconds. But in a real scenario, it could be 5 minutes, which is approximately 300 seconds. Now we need to select the starting hour, and we can use the current time and add 2 minutes so that it's 4:22. And the ending time will just be 2 hours ahead of that. Now let's modify the message and just change the date and the number of hours. We can also change the color and font when needed. Update the time right there. Alright, now let's see how the message will look in real time and click the Show Message button. Now the message looks fine and we can pursue further. Now when we click the Start Maintenance button at the start time, no user can log in at any location. Let's make sure to save the schedule. Let's log in as a different user for a different tenant or client and see what happens. In this case, a user is an admin for the company AAA. This company is about 20 miles away and we logged in remotely. As you see, when the user is logged in, the alert message appears as news. Now let's wait for the message to show up, and it will be coming about every 10 seconds to let the user know of the maintenance. Now, remember, it could be set to 5 minutes if need be. Let's log into another company to confirm that all companies will be getting the same message as displayed previously via the service provider. As you can see, this is a different company and appears to all users under the company ABC. Now, and very shortly, the alert messaging system will log out all users. Alright, and as you can see, all users have been logged out. At this point, we are back to the software provider to click the Start Maintenance button so no user can log in from any company. Let's do that and click Yes to confirm. Then we can see on the right side of the message, the indicator turns green, showing us that the maintenance is on. Let's try to log in for the same users as mentioned previously in the video. We can try to log in as Steve. Alright, or we can try to log in as Eric, a user from another company. As you can see, no one can log in for that duration, so that the software provider can run their own maintenance. Let's go back to the service provider and stop the maintenance. Now each tenant or company can also run their own independent maintenance for their users. Let's log in as Steve and set up a schedule for company AAA. Let's modify the message and the duration of time. And to do that, we'll go through a lot of the same steps as shown before. Let's update the message, some of the parameters. And we can also see how the message looks. All right. Now let's log in as another user from the same company and show that they should see the same specific message upon login before the alert message shows up. All right, and now we see the message. So let's log into another company. We'll do company ABC. Now, this alert message should not appear unless they have their own schedule. Okay, and now we are back to the software provider. Let's click on the Alerts All button. Now, this will allow us to view all messages for all companies or tenants, and we can kill any message if for some reason we need to run some urgent maintenance. In addition, the All Alerts tab provides the software provider a global view on all running maintenance routines and messages. We can search for any tenant and find any active maintenance. If we scroll down, we see that company AAA is running a maintenance routine. Let's kill that maintenance. Select it, and we'll click Stop Maintenance and click Yes to that. And then we can exit that, and that just about sums up how we can create different types of messages as news or alerts for any software provider or independent company. Thanks for watching our video, and for any questions, visit the Farber Consulting Group's website at www.dfarber.com or email us at customerservice@dfarber.com. Thank you very much for watching us. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a good one.